Hi and welcome back to the Good Food Baddie channel. I'm Capri Lily and today I'll be showing you how to make this delicious creamy chicken gnocchi soup. It's completely dairy free and so good. I'm going to start off by adding a tablespoon of olive oil to my Dutch oven pot and then add a half of a red onion and saute that for about a minute. And then I'm going to add 5 cloves of minced garlic and saute that for about 3 to 5 minutes just to caramelize and release the flavor. And now I'm going to add a pound of cubed chicken. I like to pan sear the chicken first before I start the soup, just so that it has this immense flavor that's released during the process. And then I'm going to season it with salt and pepper, and then some cayenne pepper, about a teaspoon. I'm simply going to pan sear the chicken over medium heat for about 3 minutes until I get a nice golden exterior. And now I'm adding a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, a teaspoon of parsley, and I'm just going to mix these ingredients together. And then I'm going to add 4 strips of cubed bacon. And I'm going to saute this for about a minute or 2. Now I'm adding 3 celery stalks chopped, 1 poblano pepper, and 3 large carrots chopped. And this is the base of my soup. I'm just going to mix all the ingredients together. Now I'm going to add fresh oregano, and you simply just pull the leaves off of the stem. It's super easy. And I'm going to do the same here with some fresh rosemary and just pull the leaves right off of the stem. And now I'm going to add 4 cups of chicken broth. And this is the start of the soup. We're just going to cover this and put it over low heat and have it simmering for about 2 to 3 hours, making sure to stir occasionally. After a few hours, the soup is ready for the next step. It looks so good and the vegetables should be soft and the chicken nice and tender. I'm going to take 2 forks and just shred the chicken. And it's really easy. You just grab any large chunks of chicken you see and shred them apart with a fork. And this is what your chunks should look like, just nice small pieces. And now I'm going to add the cashew cream. This is what I use to keep this recipe dairy free instead of using heavy whipping cream. And you can also use coconut cream, but I love the taste of cashew cream. It's very subtle and it takes on the flavor of everything else in the pot while making the soup extra luscious and extra creamy. And I have an easy to follow recipe on my blog on how to easily make cashew cream in less than 15 minutes. It's linked in the description box below. So now we're going to add the frozen gnocchi. I like to use Trader Joe's Cauliflower Gnocchi that's completely gluten-free. And then I'm going to add the 2 cups of kale. The soup is just about done at this point. I'm going to mix all the ingredients together and then cover it and allow it to simmer for about 30-45 minutes. The soup does take a little time, but it's absolutely worth it. And you can always make this in the crock pot if you have one, and I have instructions for that on my blog. So now it's all done and it looks absolutely incredible. I'm just going to do one final stir and mix all the ingredients together right before I serve it up and enjoy it. I hope you like this recipe and try it at home. And as always, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe. I post videos weekly. See you next time.